In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the best tips to let go and simplify your life and business. So stay tuned for one more powerful experience. Welcome back to the Patricia Misakian channel, where spiritually aware women like you experience real talk about soul development, building a spiritually led legacy business, and manifesting all that you desire. I'm Patricia Misakian, and it's once again an honor to be here with you for one more powerful video. Today I'm going to share with you some ways to help you simplify your life, whether it's at home or at work. We all know how busy we can get these days. So let me show you how to make things easier for yourself. I believe that, at least for me, being a woman entrepreneur, a wife, and a mom takes a lot of energy, and it's so important to learn how to let go of what no longer serves you to reset and restore your energy. I've always been fascinated of how energy moves in our bodies, in our home, and in our business. And I find it to be true that how you do one thing is how you do everything else. So if there is clutter at home, that same money energy will reflect at your business or at your body or at relationships or everything at the same time. We're like, So at some level, there is a little bit of denial here. People avoid dealing with it. And unfortunately, it doesn't make the problem disappear. It actually makes it bigger until we get so overwhelmed that we start seeing the results. The house gets messy, relationship gets distant, or money or business start declining. And most people, when something is no longer working, instead of taking a step back to integrate, clear the energy, what they do, they keep pushing, only to find themselves in deeper trouble. So there is power in releasing the old to make space for what I call the gold. As I've been deep letting go and clearing my house, because I am moving out of the US to Brazil, I made the decision to keep only the items that I really love and release everything else so they can find a place where they can be loved. So as I go through the process, I'm also reflecting on my business and in other areas of my life where there are some things that are ready to be let go of. So the steps that I'm going to share today in this video can be applied for your home, your business, your body, or your relationships. Whatever the area that you are focusing at this moment in your life. And remember, how you do one thing is how you do everything. So please don't get yourself overwhelmed thinking that you have to tackle all these areas. Start with one, just one. And before you start to get clear on what you want, it's very important to connect to your vision. So if you're clearing your home, spend some time journaling and how would you feel when you only have items that you love around you. If you focus on your business, relationships, or body, imagine the same thing. Spend time thinking how you want to feel, how you want to show up in those areas. So, and then now that you have a better vision, where you're going, what we need to do, we need to make space. So, for example, I've been clearing my clothes. What I did, got all the clothes out of the closet, put everything where I could see, got clothes from other areas of my house so I could decide what to keep and what to let go. When my clients come to me to up-level their business, the first thing we do, it's exactly the same thing. We see everything that is happening. We take this bird's view of what you want to keep, what you no longer want to do it, right? So you wanted to attract clients, however, you are unconsciously blocking them because there are things that you learn that you think you need to do and you don't like doing those things. So of course it's not working. You need to first shift the energy, clear what no longer serves, so you can decide how exactly you want it to show up and how exactly you want your business to work. So, the same thing, what are the agreements that you made in your memories that are no longer serving you? So it's important to clear those energies as you connect with your vision. The second step for some people is the most painful process, because you are taking the time to take a good look at everything and making the choice to no longer be available for what you don't want to experience anymore. The biggest breakthrough for my business came from a decision to no longer working with certain people that were not my soulmate clients. And at the time, I was doing graphic design. And as soon as I made the decision, I had tons of people asking me to do the same thing that I said, I don't want to do it anymore. And this is a very crucial point, because what I did then, I connect with my vision, with what I really wanted to create, and I trust. And I said no to what wasn't aligned with that. And that's where the peace of trust and faith will come and play with you. So, for example, if you're organizing your closet, for example, there will be some clothes that will be like, maybe I will use that when this happens, or when I go like ski or whatever, right? But at the same time, if you look back to the last 5 years, did you use that thing? And if you didn't, that is saying that is just gonna hold your energy down. That's just gonna hold the space for what's no longer aligned for you. So here the same thing in business. When you make the decision of how you wanna show up, who you wanna work with, your conscious mind may be like, oh, but maybe we should take this client because of scarcity thoughts. So be very careful with that. This is the second step is very, very important. So be very careful with that. Now, a big tip to help you on this stage is our meditation, Inner Fusion. It's available here on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to leave the link below this video, and it's going to help you to clear the energy from triggers and emotions that could sabotage you in this second step, because that is the biggest block to surrender and trust is those scarcity thoughts. And now that the space is clear, then you bring only what you want to have around you, the clients, the things that you're doing in your daily marketing that you absolutely love. So if you clear your business, put on your calendar only the activities that you enjoy doing that brings you your ideal client. It's all about the energy. It's not about doing a bunch of things, right? And as you hold your vision, fill your days with activities that you love, you're naturally going to attract opportunity, synchronicity, and amazing clients to you. So I want to invite you to take a moment now and tune into your life or your business and think about what you wanted to clear to make space for what you really, really want. So then you declare that, maybe you wanted to clear a drawer, and you're going to dedicate that drawer to a specific area in your life. And as you clear, you're going to notice that energetically that area is going to clear itself too. So I want to invite you to right now comment below this video, what is your commitment so I can hold you accountable? What is the area that you wanted to set the intention to go through this week? Take that step back, connect to the vision, and let go of what not bring you absolutely joy and excitement. You wanted to be doing the things that really brings you joy to your heart, and the more you do that and focus on your vision and trust, the more you naturally magnetize amazing, amazing opportunities and synchronicity in your life. So thank you so much for being here with one more powerful video. I'm Patricia Nisakian, and if you're new to this channel, I invite you to subscribe, click on the bell to be notified anytime I have a new amazing video or a meditation or other surprise for you here in the channel, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video of this series.